Hey everyone, the December 2022 market stats for the Fraser Valley are out. So today I wanted to make a quick video outlining what those stats are. I also want to take a look back at the 2022 market as a whole, as well as kind of talk about what I think we're going to see moving into 2023. But before I do that, I'm Austin Adam with the Dave Masson Real Estate Group and Royal LePage Wollstonecroft, and I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to book an appointment or ask any real estate questions in general, there'll be a link and my contact info in the description below. All right, so looking back at 2022 as a whole, beginning of 2022, we rode the coattails of the 21 market. Things were hot, prices were high, up until about March. March is when we got the first Bank of Canada interest rate hike, and at that point, it triggered a bit of a downward trend in the market, which is not always a bad thing. Things were kind of crazy the past 2 years, so now we see this downward trend throughout the rest of the year for 2022, and we end the year in actually a very balanced market. We have to look at the year as a whole, and sales were down almost 50%. In 2021, there was just over 27,000 sales total. In 2022, we had right around 15,000. That's a huge difference, but it shows that we're in a bit more of a balanced market. So looking at the stats for December of 2022, sales were down about 60% from December of 2021 and 15% from November of 2022. New listings, they were down 50% compared to December of last year and 37% compared to November of this year. Active listings on the market in December have almost doubled compared to what last December looked like. Now, where do prices stand? For a detached home, we're looking at roughly 1.37 million for your average price. For a townhouse, you're looking at roughly 787,000, and lastly, for your condos, you're looking at approximately $504,000. So where do I see things going in 2023? I think we're going to see a bit more of a balanced market continue into 2023. I think right now, a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines waiting to hear that announcement at the end of January to see what the Bank of Canada decides to do. Granted, if they do hike it, I think we'll still see a balanced market. And then I think if we continue to see maybe a flat line for the next couple announcements, I think we'll start to see a bit more of a pulse in the market. However, there's still opportunities out there for sellers and for buyers. You're probably thinking, where are the opportunities for sellers? Well, as a seller, we really have to look at the fact that if you bought your property more than 3 years ago, before the pandemic and these crazy prices, you're probably still up a lot of money in your home. Therefore, if you can sell your home now, you have all this equity you can use to move to the next property without the craziness. Yeah, you might not be getting as much money as you would have got the last 2 years, but when you go to buy, you have more options. So as a seller, it's easier to make that move. And that gap between the condo to a townhouse or a townhouse to a house, that gap is getting smaller and smaller. So if you want to go from your townhouse to a house, now is a great opportunity to do so. For buyers, there's also a ton of opportunity out there. The last couple of years have been absolute craziness with multiple offers and everything. That's no more. Now you have time to do your due diligence. You can actually negotiate on offers. You can put in subjects to financing, inspection, strata document review, and actually take your time and understand what you're getting, and you're not compromising on things. This is a great opportunity for some buyers out there that were priced out and couldn't get a certain location because they couldn't afford it anymore. Well, now they can come back and get what they're looking for. It's those before it was just what you needed you'd take, but now you can check off some of those wants that you want and the needs that you want. So there is going to be some great opportunity here in 2023. And if you are thinking of making the move in 2023 or have any questions about anything real estate, don't hesitate to reach out. And I appreciate your time. Have a great day.